is up, everybody? Welcome back to another absolutely beautiful evening. If you don't know me, my name is Baked, and I'm just your normal everyday bike rider. But today, as you can see, we're back on the 636. So we're gonna be heading to a little lot, try to get some more practice in. Hopefully this doesn't bore y'all with like me trying to learn how to wheelie and all that. But it's gonna be a bit of a process for me to learn, you know, before I learn all the tricks before I start being good at anything. So y'all just stick around for the process, I guess. Hopefully it doesn't get too boring. But yeah, we're back on the 636. She's running good. We did a few little adjustments since the last video. Cut the visor down more so it doesn't hit when I turn. And we made the oil breather tube longer because it was rubbing on the fan down there. So that ain't rubbing on anything anymore. And then just put some more coolant in it. So running good, running nice. Got the fan going and everything, so should be running good for a little practice session. Turn that idle down a little bit. But yeah, it's freaking awesome weather outside, like 65, almost 70 probably, and it feels amazing. But yeah, we're gonna go try and get a little practice in. Oh, I see another brother on a bike. What's that? Oh, that's a 0506. Freaking 636. That's nice. I think that was a 0506. Could have been a freaking ZX10. I don't know. But yeah, our freaking speedometer, y'all can't even really see it, I'm sure. It's so off, bro. When I'm going 75, or when I'm going 50, it says I'm going 75, so it says I'm going like 90 right now, so I'm probably going like 55 or 60. So that's funny, but it is what it is. I guess I could get a speedo healer, but I don't even know how much they can heal it, because I got a freaking 54 tooth sprocket on there, so I have no idea, man. But I don't really care that much. I try to just go by the feel of it, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, it should be a fun little video today. See if that little other brother catches up with us. I think he was going this way. Oh no, he might have been in that turn lane actually. Yeah, the gearing on this is so weird. Whenever you like drive, because the back chainring is so big, it's like whenever you shift the RPMs, low-key just stay the same, bro. They're just like do 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 do. So it's got a little bit of getting used to, but it's alright. I'm getting used to it. But I haven't been to this lot before, so we're gonna low-key be going to check it out a little bit. See if anyone's there. What the Cybertruck? Them things are so ugly, bruh. I also don't have blinkers on this, so that's gonna be fun. Is this a stop sign or a light? Ooh, Subi Woo. STI. Heck yeah, brother. Thing sounds good. Little boxer engine. Do 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 do. What are we sitting at? 166. Heck yeah. We were just going, but that's still pretty good. There we go. Finally. Bruh. Neutral, where are you? There we go. Doink. 191, not bad. A lot of traffic at this 5 o'clock-ish hour. I don't like it. Ooh, nice Lexus. Kind of. Oh, I hear somebody's. Oh, brothers! R7 and a Ninja 400. Heck yeah, I'm so excited to start seeing bikes out again. Since it's getting warm now. Let's see if we got a little. Bingo, I got action. Can I fit through here, chat? Haha, yes. Oh, what the heck is motion activated? I saw it go up in the shadows. What the frick? Finally, we got a little space, bruh. This is way better than that other little lot I was at. Ah, what the? Freaking locked up on me? Oh, does that like pull my rear brake? Or like my throttle cables when I do that? That little cable? I don't know. Boop! Just feels weird to turn that sharp, I guess. Gotta practice my little clutch ups. Heck yeah, bro, this lot is way better. There is security cameras, but there's security cameras everywhere, so what else is new? Oh, there's a car right there, but ow, my hand hurts. Hopefully they don't call the cops on me or something. My freaking rear brake. I need to bleed my foot brake. Practice my rolling burnouts. Pretty good. Let's take a little rest in the shade here. Yeah, I can feel, but I can still feel that. Ow, freaking brake in my hand. Super gay. All right. Let's give him a little fax. That's funny. Calling the brothers gay. Hey, it was him, not me. Everybody chill out on me. Guys, leave me some tips in the comments. I have no idea what I'm doing, and it would be much appreciated. I'm just scared. That's all it is. Scared of flipping. Bingo, I got action. Oh, pimp down, pimp in distress. Excuse me. I just need to hit him with a little whop, and then man, how to bind and then make it look so easy. It's cause I'm a noob and he's been doing it for frickin' 15 years. I just gotta remember that. Chat, we cannot do a stoppie. Bike is so creaky. Ah! It's all that creaking. Freaking on the brakes so hard. Ow. That's a little twisty. Gotta give him more gas, apparently. Bro, pulling a stoppie seems so insane to me. I don't know how they all do that. Wait, let's set up a little shot here for the gram. You know what I'm saying? So we'll start like right here. Take this, actually, just in case, you know, you never know. All the way down there. Can we still see it? Yeah. There we go. There's a car coming in here. Uh-oh. Got that manual fan switch. Keep her cool. Alright. Uh-oh, what's going on here? They bought a foot! No, I'm just kidding. Guys, I'm kidding. Okay, restart. Sorry, lady. Tee. Sorry, lady. Don't mind me. That was an awful burnout. Sorry, guys. Check the footage, though. Who's more riced out, the Honda or the Kawasaki? The Kawasaki. What? No. Is that a cop behind me? Oh, God. Turning. That was a cop. Nice, he don't care. That's good, because I got my plate a little bit like folded up, so I'm glad he don't care. Cops around here are chill. Heck yeah. But anyways, thank you all so much for watching today. I'm trying to keep up with my progress a little bit. It's gonna be a slow process, but appreciate all y'all watching, and I'll see y'all next time.